Kardi. I am a student at Keiser University Flagship campus. I am a master's student and I study and work here at the university as a graduate assistant. And as you can see, guys, here we have a lot of flags. We have 60 flags, 42 countries, representing 42 countries, and these flags means diversity, means we have a lot of students from all over the world, and I am one of them, came all across the world from the Middle East to study here at Keiser. This is Turner Building, and we're gonna show you what we have in this building here right now. So this is Turner Building. Here we have this floor. We have on this side, we have the financial aid, business office, and the auditorium, and the IT department. And on this side, we do have, this is the lobby. Students come here and they sit down, chill out, study. It's a quiet area for them to just have a little bit of free time. And now we're walking to the bookstore. Here we have a lot of items. You can come and shop for your teams, jackets, mugs, everything that you can find. The most important thing that we find here are books. If you have requests for your books, you can come here and ask. You can also find things on the website. Probably there's also a lot of stuff on the website, so you can check that out. Here, guys, as I said, we have the lobby here. Students come and have a free time. They come study, have their rest time. As you see, also we have the flags here representing also some of the countries that we have. I don't believe these are all the countries here, but we have also a lot more that are not shown. Now we're gonna be walking to Starbucks, and this is the Learning Commons. We have Starbucks here, and we do have the library. This is Starbucks, and the most popular meal here is 19 meals from Monday to Friday, and students usually pick that meal. There's a lot of meals as well that students can have and pick from that. And here we have the library. Here we have the Learning Commons. It's a quiet area. Students come and sit and study. And the most important thing here that we have peer tutoring and writing center, helps with research. We have tutoring, like individual tutoring, that helps students to accomplish what they need in their classes. It's a quiet area. We have computers that students have access to as well. Here we have the nursing. They have simulations. It's like a real life assistance that, they study on, and they help, it helps students to be more on real life support. So guys, this is Turner Building, and here we have all the campuses. We have 21 campuses, and the one up there is this campus is Flagship campus. It's the only campus that's residential campus, and students come from all over the world to study here, and we do have housing for students. That's why most of the students from all over the countries come to this campus. Here we're gonna be walking to the auditorium. This is Turner Auditorium. And as you guys can see, this is the Keiser family here. This is a big auditorium, usually takes a lot of events. We have a lot of events, speeches, meetings that takes place here. Now we're gonna be walking we're gonna point out where financial aid is. So this is financial aid. You can enter the financial aid offices from this door and from this door. Here also you can enter to the IT department as well. And here at the end we have the business office. Business office is really important for students because any bill that you need to pay, ask questions about your payments and everything, you come to the business office right here. We're still in Turner Building, so here we have the administration. Here we have all the admission counselors, the vice president, the president, directors, and Also, the Career Center is right here. Dean of Students is right here as well. And this side we have classrooms. I'm gonna show you guys the classrooms that we have. This is one of the classrooms at Keiser. As you can see, the classrooms are pretty small. They're not that big. The focus is really on the student here because the classrooms are not that big. So you are free to just understand the material, ask questions, and if you have in trouble, you can also connect with the professor by mail, phone, whichever way they prefer. Here, this is Keiser outside. You can just come chill out and sit here, study, eat, whatever you want to do, you can just come here. Now we're going to be heading to over the bridge, across the bridge, and we're going to the Voss building, which you're going to be finding there most of the classes as well. And you're gonna find the academic suite as well. Your professors, all of them are gonna be there, and also the registrar's office. So here guys, we're walking now across the bridge, and if you want, you can see here the bell tower. It rings every hour, and if you can see that area, which is like kind of empty, we have a lot of barbecue time in there. The university makes barbecue for the students. It will be like an event, and they are gonna be like just free to go and eat. So as you can see guys, it's a big area. Keiser, this campus has 100 acres of land. So this is what you see this side, the water. We have a lot of wildlife here. We have ducks, we have iguanas, and a lot more. Now we're gonna be entering the Voss building. So it's important to know what we have in this building. Here we have the academic suite, we have professors, we have the associate deans are located here on this side, and this side we have the registrar's office. It's really important if you're international students like me to first thing that you come to do on campus is to come to the registrar's office, because that's where the first checkpoint should be for you. This side we have classrooms, and we have kind of like a science auditorium there. This side we also have classrooms, and we have the Voss auditorium right there. And as you can see guys, it's really quiet here. You can just come, sit down, study, chill out during your break, and there's these cubicles. Students can come sit and study if they want quiet as well. Here we have Dolby Commons, and we have two important things here. We have the security office, and we do have the cafeteria. It is really important for students to know where the security office is, which is right here. Most of the times they are in the office, and you can find them in all the buildings as well. Like if they're not here, they're in any building, watching a game, being around students, just walking around to make you guys feel safe. And now here we're gonna be walking to the cafeteria. You can come and swipe your card here, which is gonna be your ID. And then here it's like an open buffet cafeteria, which is like you swipe your card and you come ahead and eat whatever you want, whatever they have cooked, you can just pick and eat. So here guys, we have Student Life Center, and we refer to it as SLC building. And now we're gonna enter the building. Here you guys can come and connect with your coaches. Their offices are right here. Here we have the esports room, which is really cool. We really have teams that compete. Part of Keiser is the golf, the College of Golf. a lot of students come actually to have bachelor's degree, associates in golf majors. It's really a big part of Keiser University, the college golf. We have the classrooms here. We have the College of Golf lab here. And actually we have a student here is training. Now we're entering the cardio room, which is also gonna connect us from that door, gonna connect us to the gym that we have. Students go and train there. Here we have the gym. As you guys can see, we have soccer, we have men's soccer, women's soccer, and they are really one of the best teams that we have. They usually win as well. So I do have 2 colleagues that play soccer with me, and I'm really proud of that. And you know, I actually watched them today, and that was actually really fun. As you guys can see, here we have a walking through gate. Students can go outside, and we have the village commons there, which have Publix. Students can go get their groceries from there. There's a lot of restaurants. They also have, I believe, nail salons and a lot of stuff there. And if you guys can see that little blue box there, there's the security officer there, which is to protect students. And you have to make sure though, when you go out, take your ID with you, because you cannot go back in until you scan your ID so you can come back in, and this is the safety of it. And here we have the recreation center. Here we have a pool for the students. We do have a swimming team, but the team does not practice here. It's just a small pool for the students to come chill out, tan, and have some free time. This is Stauffer building. What's important to know here is the residential office is here. The RA office is on this building, and that's where you can come and communicate with them about problems in the dorms. If you have questions, your mail, you can just come and ask them, which is at Stauffer Hall. Here we have the golf range. We have bunkers in the back and a long range there, and we have the greenery part here. As you see also there, we have the football field. And there, that building, we have the football team. That's where their locker rooms are. That's the only team that they have their locker rooms other than the Student Life Center. Here we have the football field, and it's really a huge part of Keiser University flagship campus. Also, we have lacrosse team, and they do train on this field as well. So here we are nearby Lakeside building. This is the other student living that we have on campus. And if you guys see this area for students to chill out, and a lot of times they do have movie nights, barbecue, pizza, and they just come and enjoy themselves here. Here we have on this side, we have the academic advisors. It's really important to know where your academic advisors are, because if you're an athlete, not an athlete, you want to fix a class, you want to drop, add a class, it's important to come and connect with your academic advisor. And here this side we have actually student living. We have rooms, students, and this building goes 4 stories up, and all are student living and rooms for students. We're still in Lakeside building. Here we have the event room. This side we have the academic advisors, and this side here we have the counseling center, which is free for students. You can just come and talk to someone. If you're having issues, you want to talk to someone, just come here. It's free for you as a student. So guys, this is the last spot that we just toured. This is the Lakeside building, and thank you for the tour, and I hope you come to Keiser University and enjoy all the time that you have here.